Hello, I'm Stan from HTS and we're just bringing to you a brief video on how to measure BSP fittings. What we have here is 1 inch BSP, ½ inch BSP, and this is 3/8 by 1/4 inch. Now, as a general rule, it's important to remember that the physical outside diameter of the BSP thread measures 1/4 inch bigger than the physical size. So if we just put a ruler over this so that you can see, so this is the ½ inch fitting, and if you can see just roughly, that actually measures 3/4 inch actual, so that proves the 1/4 inch bigger. If we just move to the 1 inch one, that measures 1.25 inches, and then the same for the 3/8. You can see there that goes to 5/8, and then on the 1/4 inch, that goes up to ½ inch. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe.